Baby, Walmart's changed. Are these white pumpkins? I never had one. Oh, look at those colorful ones. That's what I'm used to. Even got the cupcakes and cookies ready. They got Puerto Rico shirts now. Viva Puerto Rico. That's Halloween. Right, but they changed everything around here. These were the Puerto Rican Jews back in the day. And they still use them. Puerto Ricans, we always love to use our powder soap.
Oh.
They don't like liquid.
Your mama does.
They moved the baby section over here and everything. Got stuff over there now. With the whole book section. Yeah, they redid it. Walmart's getting I wonder if they got their robots here. I made one of these piñatas one time.
You did?
Well, not like that, but
okay.
It was a pumpkin.
Okay.
Yeah, you go watch the video of the classics, you'll see it.
Oh, all right.
It took about 3 hours to destroy it because I made it too thick. But yeah, they changed it. They took all the aisles out. Yeah. One day you get in one of these, BB.
Yeah, I know. One
Just
day.
a matter of time. Countdown.
Countdown.
Countdown. Over there used to be the self-checkout.
Yeah.
And now they moved everything over there.
Holy shit.
Yep, they took all the self-checkout out. Got the Halloween stuff ready.
Oh, that means the
Ooh.
self-service may not be there.
Wow, that's pretty cool. Getting ready for fall. Look at this. Ain't no more Halloween stuff. They done got this place. Shortage of Halloween costumes.
Apparently there's not
But
too much
nah.
of a shortage of
There was a
candy.
candy over here. Look at this.
What?
Let me see.
The pumpkin one.
No, it wasn't the
talking about?
pumpkin one. It's not here. The Frankenstein.
You saying Frankie, baby?
Yeah. This is Christmas stuff here.
Get it now. See now. Oh no, it's still $5.
Yeah, it's the.
time it's going.
Yeah, we got it. And look at all this fall stuff here.
Right up my alley.
Getting ready for fall. Ooh.
Later on, I want to get those to put in front of the hell is it? The TV where we have the pilgrim.
Oh, okay. Yep.
That would look cool.
Oh, Kitchen's Grace. Maybe we need a new sign. Got to get the Kitchen's Grace. Wow, look at all the Halloween costumes. They done.
Clean
They
this
done.
place out.
Son of a gun. Alrighty.
Okay.
Halloween's supposed to be about scary stuff, but
Well, when you're a
I
baby,
guess it's about a pink rabbit now.
Well, when you're a baby, this is probably scary to them.
True. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. All new checkout. And then they have your self-checkout now.
Yeah.
All these are the new self-checkouts. Look at them.
I guess this is it then.
So they made from up to 25 self-checkout, baby. All right, here goes BB trying to show me football. Reese's Pieces. Where? Oh, wow. Stripped all the floors.
Yep.
I wonder if they have a robot here. They made this all checkout. There's only oh no, those aren't checkouts. No. These are all checkouts. These are the new one. The self-checkout new one. Wow, this whole one side of the section is all self-checkout. Those your favorite icicles?
Yeah.
Literally, they did this whole section is the checkout. All of this, BB. Self-checkout. Neat checkouts right there. And then these are their, so they're getting ready for that $15 an hour.
They sure are.
That's what we need. Next year. This whole area used to be where they used to have their pickup.
Yep.
And now it's all self-checkout, dude. Self-checkout. Hey, baby. Lakeland Walmart has changed.
Ooh, wow.
They're getting ready for the $15 an hour. Taking everyone's job away.
Yeah. What I was saying is now if you order online, there's no excuse why they can't pick out the right items.
All right, until next adventure, guys.
See y'all.
Bye-bye.